Warmbox is a tool designed to improve your email deliverability, specifically for cold emails. Cold emails are those sent to people you haven't had previous contact with, and they can often land in spam folders. Warmbox helps to avoid this fate by essentially warming up your inbox reputation. Warmbox automatically sends emails from your inbox to predetermined addresses. It mimics real user behavior by opening, replying to, and marking these emails as important, signaling trust to email providers. By creating positive interactions, Warmbox helps ensure your future emails reach inboxes, not spam folders. Warmbox offers different pricing plans to cater to the needs of businesses at different stages. Solo plan, ideal for individuals or small businesses just starting with email marketing. This plan typically offers basic features and is budget-friendly. Startup plan, geared towards small to medium-sized businesses looking to scale up their email marketing efforts. This plan usually offers more advanced features and accommodates higher email sending volumes. Growth plan, designed for businesses with larger subscriber lists and higher email sending requirements. This plan typically offers premium features, advanced automation capabilities, and priority support. Here's a general idea of how to use Warmbox. Sign up and connect your email account. Provide a list of email addresses you plan to target with cold emails. Warmbox will send warm-up emails according to their schedule. Once your inbox reputation is warmed up, you can begin your cold email campaigns with increased confidence that they'll reach intended recipients. For individuals or small businesses just getting started with email marketing, I recommend the Solo plan. It provides essential features at an affordable price point, making it easy to kickstart your email marketing journey without breaking the bank. However, if you're in the process of scaling up your business and need to send more emails to a growing subscriber base, consider either the startup or growth plan, depending on your specific requirements and budget constraints. These plans offer more advanced features and higher email sending limits to support your business growth effectively. You can use the link in the description to try out Warmbox.